Hello and welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll tell you how to stop your iPhone from sending green bubbles and return to blue iMessage bubble. And for that you must ensure both of you have active internet connection and iMessage enabled. And to enable iMessenger, navigate to settings, and let me just go back and now head straight to your apps, and there we need to find for the messages, that is here, and ensure that this iMessage is toggled on. And now you need to check send and receive in the same setting menu. Tap on send and receive, and there you need to go on send and receive and then tap on and ensure your phone number is checked under you can receive iMessage and reply from. And after that you can just go back, and after that you can simply restart your device, and that should stop your iPhone from sending green bubbles and return to O. And that is how you can stop your iPhone from sending green messages. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.